traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar yen monthly, I mean, it does look like the end of a wave 5, and if it is the end of a wave 5, it will take out the low of wave 4. It could also end up being a crescent to this last move up too, and if it is that, then likely it would make an ABC crescent, which would be a crescent to the last move up, and then later on continue the uptrend. Either scenario is definitely possible, and luckily we will be able to tell the difference between the two scenarios. So going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this whole push down right here is either a wave A or a wave 1. If it's a wave A or a wave 1, to me is zero importance because the trading strategy for a wave A and a wave 1 is exactly the same, which is looking for shorts on shorter time frames. The next move should be a move to the upside, which would be a crescent to this move down, which would be either a wave B or a wave 2. The trading strategy for a wave B and a wave 2 is exactly the same also. The only time it's really going to differ is when next time it goes down, it's either going to be a C or a 3. If it's a C, it would be a much smaller wave, and it would break structure at a Fibonacci extension level. If it's a 3, then it would just keep on going, potentially going down and taking out the low of wave 4. So basically, it's going to be quite a while before we have to worry about the difference between an ABC and a 1, 2, 3. So going down to the daily time frame, we're all the way back down at the low. Now I do think there is a pretty good chance, especially because this is a pretty significant low right here. If you zoom out a little bit, it's the low of wave 4. So definitely a pretty significant area. I have a feeling that today is going to be an up day, and that this is actually probably either going to start a wave B or start a wave 2, which should be a crescent to the move down. Like I said, this is either a wave A or wave 1. The next move should be either up for a wave 2 or up for a wave B. Trading strategy is exactly the same for either scenario. So going down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, my last structure level is way up here. That is the area that is going to confirm to me that it is a turn to the upside. I mean, if this does not break that level and it actually just ends up making another impulsive down, I would definitely continue to look for shorts. If today's CPI inflation news causes this to go up and break structure, then at that point I would definitely become a buyer in the coming days and weeks at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of either a wave B or a wave 2. So let's head down to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement right here because it kind of looks like an incomplete pattern. It looks like a 1, 2, 3. Kind of looks like this could be a wave 4, and we might get another push down for a wave 5 before it potentially reverses back up. I kind of have a feeling that today the news could be like a spike reversal. It's going to go down, make a wave 5. Probably think everybody will think that it's going down in a big way. Everybody will go short, and then it will probably just end up going up, stopping everybody out, and maybe even going up and breaking structure to the upside. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.